First, insert the carbon tube into the wing. Insert the carbon tube into the other wing. And close the two wings. In this way, the wing is assembled first. Let's first organize the wing lines. Put the wing line in the slot of the fuselage first. Align the wings and put it in the slot. Fix it with 4 screws. In this way, the wing and fuselage are assembled. Fix the vertical and horizontal stabilizers first. Apply some glue to the contact surface of the rudder, and add a little glue to the horizontal stabilizer. Then we fix them together according to the slots. Align the vertical and horizontal stabilizers with the slots. Turn the plane over. There are 2 screw holes here, and tighten the screws to fix it. First, loosen the machine screw of the tail wheel fixture. Then insert the steel wire of the tail wheel. Then tighten the machine screw. Fix the tail wheel. Now the tail wheel is installed. Let's first install the quick connector onto the rudder angle. First, unscrew the screw. Then install the quick connector. Do the same for the other one. This is what it looks like after installation. Apply adhesive to the rudder angle. Just a little bit. Then insert it into the steering angle groove and press it down. Loosen the fixing screw of the quick connector. Pass the wire through this hole. Observe the position of the tail. Then tighten the screw to fix the wire. Similarly, let's apply some adhesive to the rudder angle first. Then align it with the slot and insert it. Press it down. Loosen the screw. Pass the wire through the hole. Tighten the screw and it's done. We apply some glue to the bottom of the part. Then simply insert it into the card slot on the wing. On the other side, also apply some glue to the bottom. Insert it into the slot and insert it to the end. Glue the bottom of the antenna and insert it into the corresponding antenna slot. Apply glue to the bottom of the doll. And put it in the middle of the cockpit and stick it. Glue the edge of the cockpit cover. and the edge of the cabin. Stick the cockpit cover on and stick it tightly. Install these two washers onto the propeller first. Remove the nuts and gaskets from the paddle seat. Install the base. Then install the propeller. Align the position of the propeller cover first. Align the position and then fix the nut. You can also use a pair of pliers to fix it. Install the propeller cover. Tighten the screws to fix it. Just stick it according to the instructions. Let's connect the landing gear wires first. Left and right landing gear wires. We connect them to the pins in the third row on the side. We need to use this Y line. Connect the aileron lines of the left and right wings. Similarly, use the Y line to connect the lines of the left and right ailerons. In this way, aileron line, flap line, landing gear lines, elevation lines and direction lines. Everything is connected now. Now, I'll demonstrate the wiring using the MISR 66A for everyone. Channel 1 connects to the aileron line. The second channel connects to the lift line. The third channel connects to the throttle line. Four-channel input with directional lines. Channel 5 connects the landing gear line. Six-channel flap wiring. After connecting, we can slightly organize the wires. Secure the receiver to the aircraft using 3 meters adhesive. Turn on the power. Hold the bind frequency button for more than 2 seconds. Turn on the remote control and set the frequency. The indicator light remains green, indicating that the frequency transmission has been completed. Landing gear test. Aileron test. Horizontal stabilizer test. Vertical stabilizer test. Flap test. Motor test. The assembly, wiring, and testing of the entire aircraft have now been completed.